Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic PostgreSQL. So let's get started. Which window function returns the rank of the current row within its partition without any gaps in the ranking sequence? The correct answer is option B, dense_rank. What is the primary advantage of using the JSON data type over the JSON data type in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option C. It supports indexing and faster processing. What keyword is required to perform a recursive query using a common table expression, CTE? The correct answer is option A, recursive. For which type of data is a BRIN, block range index, most effective in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option D, large tables with naturally ordered data, e.g. timestamps. Which PostgreSQL command shows the execution plan of a statement and actually executes the query to show true timing? The correct answer is option B, explain analyze. Which function is used to convert a text string into its vector for full text search in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option C, to_vector. How do you update the data in a materialized view to reflect changes in the underlying tables? The correct answer is option A, refresh materialized view. What does FW stand for in the context of PostgreSQL's ability to access data stored in external databases? The correct answer is option B, foreign data wrapper. In the repeatable read isolation level, which phenomenon is prevented that is not necessarily prevented in read committed? The correct answer is option D, non-repeatable reads. Since PostgreSQL 10, which keyword is used to create a table that acts as a parent for declarative partitioning? The correct answer is option C, partition by. Which type of constraint is used to ensure that no two rows overlap in a range, such as meeting room booking times? The correct answer is option B, exclude. What happens when a function is created with the security definer attribute? The correct answer is option A. It runs with the privileges of the user who created it. Which operator is used to check if the left-hand array contains the right-hand array? The correct answer is option C, at. Which index type is generally most efficient for full-text search where the search terms are many and update frequency is low? The correct answer is option D, JSONB. Which function is used to get the value most recently obtained by nextval for a specific sequence in the current session? The correct answer is option B, curval. What is the primary purpose of the vacuum command in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option A, to reclaim storage occupied by dead tuples. Which extension provides a way to track execution statistics of all SQL statements executed by a PostgreSQL server? The correct answer is option D, pg_stat_ statements. To generate a version 4 random UUID in PostgreSQL, which extension is most commonly used? The correct answer is option A, UUIDOSP. In an insert statement, which clause is used to handle conflicts by either ignoring them or updating existing rows? The correct answer is option B, onConflict. Which join type allows a subquery in the from clause to refer to columns of preceding items in the from list? The correct answer is option C, lateral join. Which of the following is a built-in PostgreSQL range type for timestamps without time zone? The correct answer is option A, range. In PostgreSQL logical replication, what is the source of the data changes called? The correct answer is option D, publisher. Which command is used to give a role the ability to log in to the PostgreSQL server? The correct answer is option A, alter role name login. What does the acronym TOAST stand for in PostgreSQL internals? The correct answer is option D, the oversized attribute storage technique. What is the main purpose of write-ahead logging (WL) in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option C, to ensure data integrity and atomicity in case of a crash. In a trigger function, which special variable contains the new database row for insert operations in row-level triggers? The correct answer is option B, new. If table cities inherits from table locations, what happens by default when you query locations? The correct answer is option A. It returns rows from locations and cities. Which configuration parameter determines the order in which schemas are searched for a table name when no schema is specified? The correct answer is option B, search_path. Which clause allows an aggregate function to only process rows that meet a specific condition within a select statement? The correct answer is option D, filter. What is a partial index in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option C, an index built over a subset of a table defined by a conditional expression. Thank you for watching.